What a beautiful day. Too nice to just lay in my bed. Well, let's start the day, shall we? Today is gonna be a great day. I wonder what's on YouTube today. What's this? What's this? Well, I'll be a marathon race, Now that definitely sounds interesting. Why don't I watch this video and see what the marathon race is all about?
Later.
Wow! That was honestly really cool. Seeing all those people run like the wind. You know, I think that would be pretty cool if I had an opportunity to, run like the wind. Hey, maybe I should try running a marathon myself. I'm gonna go see if one's happening this year. All right, let's see if a marathon's happening this year. Okay, let's see. Found it! Oh, and look! It says that the race is happening this afternoon. That means there's still time. I am going to enter that marathon race right now. See you later. So far, so good. So far, this is easy. Huh? What? So, I have a competitor, huh? So, that donkey thinks he can make a fool out of me and beat me, huh? Well, we'll just see about that. Huh? Where's the pain? There it is. Oh no. Come on, kitty cat. You got this. Gotta battle through the pain. You got this. Okay, here we go.
It's not about what we can afford. It's about the value of money. Money.
See, the trick is to use shell companies, makes it almost impossible to trace.
Come on, Donkey. Let's go. We're gonna be late. Hey there, buddy. Lights out, right? I thought so. Well, see you tonight.